Today on 21st Century Business, explore state-of-the-art technology, innovative business strategies, insights from cutting-edge corporations around the globe, a visionary look into the answers of tomorrow, today. Business leaders, business solutions, 21st Century Business.
Biopharmaceutical companies face ever-increasing challenges, and perhaps topping the list, trying to deliver drugs at a much lower price while facing increased vigilance from regulatory agencies. Now, of course, these companies need facilities designed and engineered to best meet their goals. Here with one solution is Dave Goswami, President and COO of Integrated Project Services, or IPS. Welcome, Dave.
Thank you, Jackie. Great to be here.
So, Dave, can you elaborate on these challenges currently faced by pharmaceutical and biotech companies as they develop and bring drugs to market?
Drug discovery and manufacturing is a pretty complicated and expensive process, and there's a lot of risk in it. I don't know, a lot of people know or not, but 80% of the drugs that are identified early on as potential drugs never make it to the market. So there are a lot of wastage and a lot of money that are spent in developing drugs. What's new is they have added challenges. Most of the challenges come from the pressure on making drugs at a lower cost. So what has done to the industry is at stress right now. And regulations and changing regulations not helping either. So all these things combined together, the industry is in stress.
Tell me who IPS is and what IPS, Integrated Project Services, offers to mitigate all of these issues.
IPS is a global service company providing business solutions to our clients in the pharmaceutical and biotechnology sector. Our primary services are engineering, consulting, construction management, and compliance. Basically, we provide all the services our clients need to manufacture drugs successfully.
How is IPS able to grow, though, in this economic environment?
That's a question a lot of people are asking. And our competitors, our clients, our peers, they're all interested to know how we are growing in this pretty tough economic condition. I can't point to one single decision or one single event. There are a combination of decisions that we made along the way. But for any companies to do well, the management team has to figure out the future needs of their core clients.
The future needs.
Future needs.
Not the current needs,
not
but
the current
future.
needs, especially not the past needs, because things change.
Well, let's see how those IPS engineers and architects operate in this 21st Century Business Field Report.
Integrated Project Services, IPS, helps research and manufacturing clients to successfully engineer, construct, commission, and validate various types of technically complex facilities around the world.
Well, there are many benefits to working with IPS. Three that come to mind are people, flexibility, and innovation.
The life science industry is facing many challenges today, globally as well as within the United States.
Clients want to be able to drive down their overall capital costs, and they want to be able to maximize the margins on their products.
We've been able to deliver projects faster and more cost effectively than they've ever done before.
With technical expertise spanning R&D to pilot scale to large-scale production, IPS specializes in the technology, trends, and global regulatory environment to successfully deliver capital projects and improve operations.
Our vision to be knowledge leaders and to help our customers succeed has really fueled our growth over the last 18 months during this troubling economic times. And it's allowed us to assemble a world-class group of professionals and to attract and retain some of the best talent in the industry.
Subject matter experts help us in two ways. They help in our operational flexibility, and they help disseminate technical information throughout the company.
For 21st Century Business, I'm Steve Michaels reporting.
So Dave, let me ask you, what do you consider to be IPS's most important assets?
We are in the service business. So we believe our core clients and our great staff are our best assets. But as I mentioned, we have moved into a technology-based company, and these subject matter experts bring a whole different avenue for us. And they are most reputable, and clients are looking for them at all times.
What can you tell me about new services or plans for growth that you might have?
Our services cover a lot of areas. We are already in the design engineering, in the construction side, and also in compliance side, which basically covers most of the service areas our clients are looking for. So our growth is to take the core services to a lot more clients. Also, one of the largest growth areas for us is the emerging countries.
The emerging countries.
Because we are already invested and we know how to handle these, and there's different cultures, and we can help our clients meet those challenges that they're facing as they move into these new countries.
So the global marketplace is really playing into your plans for growth.
Yes, it is, because our clients are going there. As I said, you need to meet our clients' future needs, and as the clients are moving into those countries and trying to figure out how to execute projects, we're in a best location, best position to help them.
So Dave, how do you see the future of your industry in general?
You know, you talk to people, and there are people who are like doomsday coming. This industry is no longer a good industry to be in. But the fact is, the need is not decreasing, it's increasing, and it's going to continue to increase. But the way you manufacture, the way you discover drugs is changing. So our clients are trying to figure out and adjusting to this, and as a service provider, we have to figure out how we can help them.
Well, Dave, with all that engineering know-how and that specific market expertise, it's easy to see why these high-tech companies are relying on you. So thank you so much for sharing your knowledge with us.
Thank you, Jackie. Thank you for having me.